Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Are you trying to increase your mental capacity so that you can be more focused and attentive during the day? Fortunately, a wide range of healthy beverages are available to give the boost required for the best cognitive function. If you're looking for beverages that will improve your focus and mental acuity, you are fortunate. In this video, we'll look at many extraordinary drinks that are known for improving brain function. It's crucial to remember that all of the material offered here is based on objective facts, has undergone extensive fact-checking, and has the approval of licensed healthcare professionals. After making that explanation, let's explore the best 9 beverages for maintaining brain health. 1. Blueberry juice. Explore the world of blueberry juice, a delicious concoction that not only tempts your taste buds, but also offers a number of amazing health benefits. This elixir gives more than simply flavor because of its abundance of nutrients, including vitamin C and magnesium, which are important substances that strengthen bones and teeth. Due to the abundance of anthocyanins found in blueberry juice, increasing brain power is now a reality. These amazing substances have proven to have the ability to improve brain function and open doors to sharper thinking. The narrative does not, however, stop there. Blueberries have a wealth of substances hidden beneath their surface that can protect against dementia, Alzheimer's disease, and a variety of other neurological problems. Within blueberry juice, a symphony of antioxidants dances, loyal defenders against the havoc-causing powers of free radicals and inflammation. However, they are also adept at orchestrating a mellow decline in blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 2. Orange juice. Isn't it wonderful how beneficial orange juice can be for your health and mind at the same time? Orange juice is bursting with vitamin C, but it also contains a variety of other nutrients that your brain adores. The vitamin C concentration of those delicious oranges isn't their only claim to fame. They also possess other beneficial properties. They are also a great source of fiber, potassium, and folate. These extraordinary nutrients work together to improve the health of your brain. They guarantee steady blood flow to your brain and may even reduce your risk of Alzheimer's disease. Now that's some potent assistance. The vitamin C in that wonderful orange juice rushes through your body while you relish it, acting as an immune system superhero. Vitamin C's ability to regulate hormones means that it can help you maintain healthy blood pressure in addition to protecting you against bothersome diseases. But there's more. The brain's neurotransmitters, the enchanted messengers that regulate your mood, memory, and sleep cycles, are supported by vitamin C. You're actually giving your brain a taste of joy and harmony when you drink orange juice rather than just sipping it. Not to mention folate, which is basically the brain's closest buddy. Turning homocysteine into necessary amino acids is a tough job for this little vitamin found in oranges. Why does that matter? Because it promotes healthy metabolic processes and makes your body perform like a well-oiled machine. Due to the association between elevated homocysteine levels and cardiac issues, including depression, this is particularly crucial. As a result, when you indulge in some orange delight, your brain receives a calming symphony of support. 3. Turmeric ginger tea. Let's explore the world of tea with turmeric, a spice that has a long history as a prized medical ingredient. There is no questioning the great health advantages of this substance, despite the fact that contemporary science is only now beginning to reveal them. Curcumin, a substance in turmeric that has attracted researchers' attention for its ability to safeguard our priceless brain cells, is the star of the show. Consider curcumin a brain superhero. It has been demonstrated in animal experiments to intervene and protect against Alzheimer's disease by controlling oxidative stress and reducing inflammation in the brain. Think of it as a protector who works to maintain the strength and health of your intellect. But this is where the narrative really starts to heat up. When you combine turmeric with its dependable companion, ginger root, the health advantages go up a notch. Ginger is more than simply a culinary seasoning. It has long been used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat digestive issues and reduce nausea. Additionally, it regulates your blood sugar and circulation like a traffic controller, keeping everything in check. You can make a delightful tea that is like a warm embrace for your well-being by combining the healing properties of turmeric and ginger. Throughout the day, sip on this spicy concoction to give yourself an energy boost and feel more focused and lucid. Are you enjoying this adventure so far, by the way? Show us some love by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel for more thought-provoking and entertaining material before we move on to another brain-boosting beverage. 4. Clove tea. Do you know clove tea? It's similar to a magic potion that will increase your mental capacity and have several positive effects on your health. And what's this? It comes in both comfortingly hot and energizingly cold varieties. Talk about multi-purpose bliss. Let's now go back in time a little. Cloves have been around for a very long time, making their mark as a spice and as a super remedy for concentration and warding off those bothersome diseases. Is that really from ancient Egypt, you say? Those smart people utilized it as an embalming agent, but they had no idea that they had discovered something absolutely extraordinary. Today, we've learned that cloves are loaded with beneficial health properties. They act as miniature heart-healthy soldiers by assisting your blood circulation with their essential oils. Cloves are also well recognized for relieving dental discomfort and toothaches, so the benefits don't end there. With their antibacterial properties, their essential oils scoop in to fight off illnesses and expel discomfort. Additionally, cloves might help you with the sniffles if you have them. They serve as the asthma and bronchitis sidekicks you never realized you needed. Recall the distinct clove flavor and smell. Eugenol, a useful substance found in clove tea, is to thank for it. It is the cause of this tea's prominence in the world of spices. Eugenol has antibacterial properties that go on a germ-zapping rampage while having no negative side effects on your body, acting as a no-germs-allowed sign for it. Therefore, the next time you want a lovely cup of well-being, think about settling in with some clove tea. Your body and mind will appreciate the reward. 5. Coffee. The most consumed beverage in the world, coffee has a lot to offer. In addition to being enjoyable at any time of the day, many people rely on it to get them through the morning. Its advantages go well beyond the soothing sip it offers. Coffee is filled with beneficial ingredients for your health, like a wonderful elixir. It improves memory and focus, and it can even improve your athletic performance. The polyphenols, or antioxidants, in coffee act as teeny-tiny defenders of your health. It's quite remarkable that they may contribute to cancer prevention. Speaking of amazing, caffeine, the protagonist of the coffee story, has a unique set of skills. It acts as your own personal mood and motivation coach by triggering dopamine and adrenaline to give you an extra boost of energy. But caffeine does more than just that. It also supports the brain. It improves mental function by boosting blood flow to the brain, turning up awareness and attention like a spotlight on your ideas. And what's this? Science has become a coffee enthusiast. 3 cups of strong black coffee per day can really improve brain function and cognitive capacities, especially in older people, according to 2018 research that added some compelling data to the mix. 6. Smoothies. Smoothies provide a quick and simple way to satisfy your daily nutrient needs because of their simplicity and diversity. In addition to being simple to prepare and carry with you, they're fantastic for keeping your calorie intake targets, which can boost weight reduction attempts. When you have a blender at your disposal, adding additional fruits and vegetables to your diet is simple and requires little to no preparation. It becomes much better, though, because of how it affects your mental capacity. Smoothies include vital nutrients that are important for preserving excellent brain health, such as vitamins A and C, folate, and those priceless omega-3 fatty acids. But it goes farther than that. These nutrients work as both inflammatory inhibitors and brain fuel. Smoothies can protect your body against long-term health issues like cancer and heart disease that may otherwise impair your brain function by lowering inflammation. Another hidden weapon is the fiber included in smoothies. In addition to encouraging a long-lasting sensation of fullness that squelches sneaky food cravings, it also helps you prevent late-night or sleep-interrupting munchies. Both of these actions can lead to unintended weight gain if they are not stopped. 7. Green tea. Green tea has long been praised for its therapeutic properties. It has an abundance of bioactive substances known as flavonoids, which give it its distinctive color and flavor. L-theanine, a unique amino acid found in green tea, is proven to improve memory and attention spans in young adults. Not only that, but green tea also has some really awesome support musicians. It contains both caffeine and catechins, two compounds that work as preventative measures against heart disease, stroke, and some forms of cancer. Research from 2012 revealed yet another green tea superpower: its capacity to protect the brain from oxidative stress. Free radicals, the source of this stress, can seriously damage cells throughout the body, including those in the brain. Green tea steps in to rescue the day at this point. Green tea comes up as a defense against potential harm caused by free radicals thanks to its antioxidant capabilities. 8. Beetroot juice. The juice of beets is a fantastic way to improve your general health and mental capacity. The right fuel is essential for the brain's efficient operation because it is a hub of activity. Here, beetroot juice comes into play because it contains nitrates, which have the dual effects of lowering blood pressure and improving circulation, which is a key factor in brain function. Beetroot juice, however, has a few more nifty tricks under its bag. It is a great folate-rich food that is necessary for the synthesis of DNA and RNA, as well as the creation of red blood cells. This dynamic motion aids in maintaining healthy neurons, which are necessary for your brain to function normally. Here we have betaine, another weapon in the beetroot's armory. Homocysteine levels must be kept under control in order to avoid potential nerve tissue damage. Beetroot is also high in nitrates, which your body effectively converts into nitric oxide when damaged. Then, nitric oxide does its magic, increasing blood flow and subsequently improving the supply of nutrients and oxygen to your cells, including those brain cells ready to function at their best. Nitric oxide isn't simply about circulation, and this is where things become even more interesting. Additionally, it works hand in hand with your brain to help you cope with stress. Nitric oxide helps you feel happier by increasing the feel-good hormone serotonin production. This hormone is essential for controlling your mood and ensuring that you remain happy and optimistic throughout the day. 9. Herbal tea. Herbal tea is a delightfully made beverage that is infused with the power of the natural world. It is made from the dried or fresh leaves, petals, seeds, or roots of several plants, yielding a mixture that is both calming and therapeutic. These herbs aren't only for flavor, they're little health powerhouses. Think of your cozy retreat as a cup of herbal tea. These beverages are specifically formulated to promote calm and frequently contain substances like chamomile or lemon balm. But that's not all. Herbal tea has long been prized for its healing abilities. Different civilizations each have their own traditional herbal tea recipes that are suited to treating ailments like colds or headaches. And now for the intriguing part. Herbal tea isn't simply a warm embrace. It's also like a brain-friendly relaxation expert. It aids in enhancing brain function by assisting you in decompressing and managing stress. Research has shown that many plants contain aromatic oils that, believe it or not, may do miracles. These oils have the power to increase your attention span and even gently prompt your memory. The following time you have a cup of herbal tea, keep in mind that you are also embracing centuries of knowledge and giving your brain a small wellness boost. The 9 drinks we looked at can easily fit into your regular schedule. If the refreshing blueberry juice, energizing turmeric ginger tea, or delectable cloves tea piqued your interest, don't hesitate to give them a try. If you found this video useful, a fast thumbs up and a subscription would be greatly appreciated. You'll be in the loop for more helpful health tips in the future. We hope you had a fantastic day and hope to see you in our future videos.